Where did you find those? June, look at Mommy. Where did you get those plates?
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, a mess.
Yep, a mess. Did you make a mess?
Paper plate.
With paper plates? You made a mess with paper plates, huh?
No.
No? I'm pretty sure you did.
No. You That's cool. Mommy?
Yes, dear.
Mommy, can I
Can you pick up the plates, please? Mm-hmm. Put them on the table. That's good. Thank you. Go pick up some more. Thank you. Hey, June, what do you say when you make a mess? Do you say, I'm sorry? Huh? What do you say? Say, I'm sorry, Mommy.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
You're sorry?
No.
No?
No.
Say, say, I'm sorry, Mommy.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mommy.
You're- Yeah, you're sorry?
Mommy got me mess.
Yeah, big mess. Who made the big mess?
No. Roll away.
Put it on the table.
Oh no, baby, stop it.
Thank you.
Oh no, baby.
Put them on the table. Stop taking them apart.
Whoa. I picked up a plate.
Yeah, be careful, plates. Oh, you got some more. Go pick up the rest.
Wet.
More. Mm-hmm.
And then we're pulling.
Yep.
Come on, my pulling.
One more plate.
Oh, boo.